So this is the Nothing Phone 2A, and it has so much going for it that I think it might just be contender for Phone of the Year. And first up, it's just nice to see a phone that doesn't look like every other Android out there. It's interesting. So from the transparent case to the glyph lights, it's a phone that actually stands out and is interesting, even down to the charging cable. It's just the little details. Like all the Nothing phones today, I just love the design of the phone, the way it feels. Even though this phone, the 2A, is plastic, it still feels premium, and I feel like I can actually hold this phone properly without it feel like it's slipping through my fingers. And I also love what's going on inside the phone. The software in this phone is also awesome, and it also holds its own uniqueness, so you can customize widgets, icons, layouts. I mean, it doesn't have the latest Snapdragon chipset, but that doesn't matter because you still get a really smooth experience, and it can handle most things that you need day to day. Now, if I'm being really picky, the camera probably could be better. It still takes a decent photo with the rear camera giving you 4K at 30 frames per second, but who really cares? This is only 350 quid. It's an absolute steal at that price, so if you're looking for a budget phone that gives you that premium feel that can handle most things, then the Nothing Phone 2A could be the one for you.